Hello guys, I'm doing skincare because I just put on some makeup and I made a draft about me talking about, I made several drafts this day. You know what, let's get, wait. You know that times when you're just in school and the fire alarm comes on, piercing your ears at 8 a.m. or 9, and people be waiting until that fire alarm goes off and screaming when they see the time come. They're like, it's time! Alright, ready? We're gonna do the skincare. Ooh. Guys, you know that Korean girl with fat skin? And she's like, y'all seen her before? Wait, y'all know when y'all go on Instagram and y'all just find some anime heat? Yeah, that's what I sometimes find. Ugh. This actually hurts. Ow! God! Dang it! That hurt. Alright, we're gonna stop. This actually feels smooth. Let's scratch it off. Oh! Hey guys, so I put the skincare accidentally on my thing and we're gonna try if we can make the camera go blurry. Oh! Wait. Actually, alright, let's see if I have oily skin. I got oily skin. Wait. Oh my god. Oh shoot. I have to do my Duolingo thing. Alright, I'll see y'all in a few minutes.